Good morning. Welcome to the today's class. Our topic is functions of Parliament. What is the primary function of the Parliament? Legislation. Legislation is the primary function of the Parliament. To make a law, the approval of both the houses of the Parliament is required. Both the houses of the Parliament means Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. The Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha assembles separately for legislation. A law in draft form is known as a bill. An ordinary bill can be introduced in either house of the Parliament. The house which considers the bill first is called the first house, and the house which considers it next is called the second house. In both the houses, the bill passes through different stages. Let us examine the various stages of passing a bill. First reading, the bill is introduced. Second reading, each and every article included in the bill is either passed, changed or rejected after discussion. Third reading, the bill as a whole is passed or rejected. This is the various stages of passing a bill. After passing the bill in the first house, it is sent to the second house along with the certificate of the presiding officer. The bill passes once again through the above mentioned three stages in the second house. After the bill is passed by both the houses, it is sent to the President for approval. On getting the approval of the President, the bill becomes a law. And next, sessions of Parliament. As per the Constitution, there should not be an interval of more than 6 months between two sessions of the Parliament. Normally, the Parliament of India assembles 3 times a year. Normally, the Parliament of India assembles 3 times a year. They are known as monsoon sessions, winter session and summer session. Which are the 3 sessions? Monsoon, winter and summer session. If needed, the Rajya Sabha assembles 4 times a year. Next topic, question hour. Daily session of the Parliament begin with question hour. Every day the Parliament meets at 11 in the morning and the initial hour is question hour. The members can ask questions relating to any administrative subject. The ministers in charge will give answers to them. The timetable of the state legislature are different from that of the Parliament. Daily session of the Parliament begin with question hour, and every day the Parliament meets at 11 in the morning and the initial hour is question hour. Then what is 0 hour? At 12 noon the question hour ends. The small interval after the question hour before commencing deliberations on the times on agenda is known as 0 hour. It is known as 0 hour because it is 12 o'clock. The House considers adjournment motion, calling attention motion, etc. during this time. The 0 hour lasts for 5 to 15 minutes. After the bill is passed by both the houses, it is sent to the President for approval. On getting the approval of the President, the bill becomes a law. If there is a difference of opinion between the two houses, a joint sitting of both houses of the Parliament is summoned and a decision is taken. It is the President who summons the joint sitting of the Parliament, which is presided over by the Speaker of the Lok Sabha. And next, money bill. The procedure of passing a money bill is different from that of an ordinary bill. What is a money bill? Any bill relating to the collection of revenue or expenditure from the consolidated fund can be termed as money bill. The Constitution states that a money bill can be introduced only in the Lok Sabha. After the bill is passed by the Lok Sabha, it is sent to the Rajya Sabha with the certificate of the Speaker that the bill is a money bill. The Rajya Sabha must return the money bill along with its recommendations to the Lok Sabha within a period of 14 days. The Lok Sabha can accept or reject the recommendation of the Rajya Sabha. In legislation, the only function of the Parliament, along with lawmaking, the Parliament performs a number of other functions. What are the other functions of Parliament? Control over executive, electoral function, constitutional amendment.